LG OLED C9 or C7? So what's up guys, Faria and welcome to Shades of Tech. When we compare the LG OLED C9 with the Samsung AK-Q950R, you guys really enjoyed this challenge. The clear winner was the C9 and apparently no 2019 TV could beat it. So I started wondering if some TV could at least go close and be comparable. And the surprising answer was yes, we needed an LG OLED but cheaper. So in this video we're gonna be comparing the 2019 LG C9 and the 2017 C7, both OLED 4K HDR TV, to see how they compare. There are many differences you probably won't notice that will tell you that are worth knowing for you to decide if the new model is worth the upgrade. And in the next video we're gonna be talking about buying used OLED TV. In this comparison, the 65-inch C9 will always be on the left and the 55-inch C7 on the right. So design. Looking side by side at the design, they look pretty much identical, but looking closer you can see some small difference and details. They both have the stunning crazy thin OLED panel, but in 2 generations LG was able to make the thick body of the TV thinner by a few centimeters, and also it doesn't go until the lateral bezels because the new shape design is more fluid and rounded. If you will mount this TV like we did, you won't notice this very much, but the best result is to place this TV on a media center, showing off this incredible design by all sides. And you will also notice a different stand. They both are metal made, very high quality, but the C9 has a wider but shorter stand that gives the floating look better than the C7 with bigger footprint and that will take up more space, but again really small details. On the back I prefer the C7 as far as design, but the C9 has a cable management built in the base. Also the color stand matches the back of the TV, black on the C9 and silver on the white C7. The build quality is pretty much identical and quite high and premium in all the TV except the plastic cover on the back. Also the remotes look premium even if they are plastic. They are pretty much identical, but the C9 features a better grip on the wheel and this makes a bigger difference than you would think. The C7 remote wheel is more slippery. Again, nitpicking, they are both magic remote that you can move like a wand. This is the important part, unlike the AKTV metal remote. Picture quality. So of course here the C9 has some advantage due to the bigger, huge 65-inch screen. It might not seem this big of a deal, the 10-inch more, but trust me, it does. Now I got used to the bigger screen size and I don't think I could go back to the 55-inch size. It's so much better in so many situations. Also, another thing you probably didn't notice, the C7 has thinner bezel, 0.9 versus 1.1 cm. Really impressive, but small details. They are both 4K HDR10 panels for Dolby Vision of course, but some difference is present, but hardly, really hard visible in picture quality. Sustained brightness of HDR picture is slightly better on the C9 and slightly better gray uniformity. The bigger difference is in viewing angles, where the C9 is superior, but the C7 is still better with the OLED technology than the Samsung AK-Q950R. Also, the picture quality is better overall in the C9, being 2 generations newer panel, but it's not that evident. They are both very vivid pitch blacks and really good image quality. I/O. The huge difference is in I/O. The LG C9 with a recent update unlocked the potential of the 4 HDMI 2.1 ports with support up to 4K 120Hz with an NVIDIA G-Sync 1 millisecond response VRR and can become a wonderful gaming TV. This makes the TV future-proof enough, and if you are happy with the 4K 60, the C7 will serve you well as well. The C9 has an Alpha 2 Gen AI processor that makes every action even smoother and faster, and the AI integration is deep in the system, optimizing upscaling, picture, brightness and sound. And the more powerful and capable processor is visible in every action, making every task faster. We are talking about seconds, And talking about sound, they are both support Dolby Atmos TV, but the C7 has always had a very metallic sound problem, whereas the C7 has deep, full and rich and amazing sound that beats over the more powerful 60-watt 8K TV. And here is a sound comparison. Smart home integration and assistant. My favorite feature that makes me choose the C9 over the C7 is the smart home integration and assistant built in the TV. I didn't think this could make such a big difference, but Apple AirPlay support and Google support are so good. Just cast your music to the TV, the favorite YouTube video, mirror the iPhone screen. It's smooth and fast. The C7 can cast some YouTube, but it's overall slower. So in conclusion, is the C9 worth it? Well, if you already have the C7, I wouldn't upgrade unless you need it for gaming. PS5 and Xbox Series X will unlock the crazy 4K 120Hz gaming. Otherwise, the C7 is perfect. If you need to buy a new TV, get the C9, it will be perfect for you. The real thing is not that the C9 is not worth the upgrade, it's that the C7 was already perfect. It was really hard to make it better, but LG did it, just with minor tweaks that are not worth spending extra money if you already have the C7 or the C8. If you are considering buying used OLED TV, be sure to watch the next episode. So that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching me so far. Be sure to like or dislike this video, comment and subscribe for the next video, and as always, stay tuned on Shades of Tech. Ciao!